Apple's new screen time feature is a great thing if you need help limiting your usage on your phone. Let's get into it and show you how to use it. First, you're going to go to your settings, scroll down to screen time, and there you'll see all the statistics on your screen usage. First thing you'll notice is the screen time at the top of your phone. Right now I've used 3 hours and 25 minutes on my phone this week. And if you click into that, you can actually see all the categories that you've used on your phone. So my categories, I use a lot of time on entertainment, but there's also social media, productivity, reading, and everything else. If you scroll down a bit further, you'll see how many times you actually picked up your phone each hour. Over the past few days, I've picked up my phone 59 times. If you go back, you'll see other things that you're able to set on your phone. You're able to set limits so you can stop yourself from using apps for a long time. We're going to set an example limit, add a limit for all social networking apps. We're going to add that. And we're going to say we can spend an hour on social media. You can customize the days too if you want. So let's say during the week we have an hour, but maybe Saturday you can spend 2 hours, a little bit more time on your phone. And there, that's set. You can also set downtime. So every night your phone shuts off all apps on your phone. Right now I have mine set from 11:30 to 7:30. And that time, I'm not able to see any apps on my phone. You can also allow whatever apps you really need to get into. So messaging, FaceTime, Maps, whatever is actually important to you, you're going to want to set there. Don't worry though, you're able to, let's say you want 5 more minutes on Facebook or 15 more minutes on Facebook. You can ask, your phone will ask you if you need more time, and it will allow you for that. And that's how you use screen time.